And just make sure you always be on the line though. Just take this like this, because this pencil's thick. If you turn it this way, the pencil's too thick. Turn it this way, that's thin. So if you want to put on that line, just take this right on that line right there. Make sure that this and this is even. Because when you recut it, when you cut it on the other side, what's going to happen, you need to have that line straight, but you got to flip this, you got to flip this towel around. You're going to have to make sure it's on that line. If you come down here and look down in that. See that line? Look down in it, make sure it's right on that line. Make sure this goes right across that line. So now make sure it's these two right here. Now you turn it on, put your glasses on, turn it on. Too tight. You gotta straighten it up, son. Yeah. Lift it over the other towel. There you go. There you go. That's what's up right here. Now you gotta put your spacers in there. Take this way. That little nip might, I don't know, it should fit in there. Make sure make sure you don't drop that towel on this tub there. Let's put it up in there. Okay, now Dr. Shanti, now what you want to do is put this half on here. You want to take what's called, put that half on there. And then we'll take one and put a full one. You know what I mean? Okay, you want to butter it up. Hold your towel like this. See the palm of my hand? Put it on the palm of your hand. Do like this. Get you a blob of it. Just put it on there like that. Now take this right here and go that way, just like that. Make sure you get your corners, because that's where you're gonna be pressure is on the towel is gonna be. And swirl it. The reason we do the swirls, these grooves, that creates suction against the wall. So the towel is glue and adhesive for water protection, but it's also because it creates suction. And just put this on the wall like this. Make sure this is even, give a little pop so that it sucks it. You can make sure this is more important, this is even right here. This right here is pretty much even, right? And the full one is gonna be right about here. So now go get you a full one, you just have to mark it. Put your spaces right here. Spaces on there. Make sure you know exactly how far to cut it from underneath it. Put your spaces there. And just take the towel, put your towel right here, just like this. That's definitely still about well, everybody can trip. That ain't the truth. But you know what? This actually is better. You know why? You know why it's better? The trim. Gotta put the trim straight across here. 32 and a quarter. Where's 32 and a quarter at? 32 and 1/4 is right there. So 32, we're gonna make sure this, when you turn your tape measure, that turn makes a difference. So it could be 32 and 3/8. So we'll make sure it's 32 and a quarter. So then we'll take this right here and we're gonna mark this 32 and a quarter. So that's 32 and a quarter is right there. Now you're gonna put this right here. See how that's over that right there? Right here. Now this right here gets put right like that. So now once we do this, now we can take the towel like this. Now all we gotta do is butter this. And you don't want to put this adhesive on here because you want to have this flat chest. But you put it on your hand, put it on your chest. So you have straight here. Now you can do like that. Or you can just put it down on something.
Oh, you can actually